Today we are going to be looking at Curipod. Curipod is a platform which enables educators, teachers in both secondary schools, teachers in primary education, and also tertiary, create lessons using artificial intelligence. So today I'm going to give us an example of how to use Curipod in your classrooms, and hopefully we will be able to identify and draw on some benefits, but also challenges with this platform. So I have already logged in. I already have an account, but you can easily create an account for free. And after this lesson, after this short training, you can explore further on the features that they provide. So I'm going to create a lesson here. And as you can see, there are two tabs that you can select from. The interest and purpose of this video is to look at how artificial intelligence can be used to hopefully decrease the amount of time that we use to create our PowerPoint slides, and also just assist us in the lessons that we present to our students. So in this example, I'm going to create a full lesson using Curipod, but there are other options. You can choose to create just a slide that you want to show in the lesson. It may be a multiple choice questions. It could be a concept explainer, but as I said, this is just an introduction, so I'm going to focus on creating a full lesson using Curipod. So all I do here is I select full lesson, and then I'm going to choose the topic, the digestive system. So I just type that here under content or skill. And then I want it to be targeted at year 9 students. So I'm going to choose 9th grade. And then all I do is I select do magic, which simply means they're generating the lesson PowerPoint using artificial intelligence. So as you can see, I have now 14 slides of a lesson on the digestive system, which is supposed to target year 9 students. So here you can scroll through and see the slides that they have generated. You can choose to select specific slides like I've done just now, or you can choose to input all of them. In this case, I'm going to delete this slide and I'm going to select add all slides. So now you can see the tabs below which show all 14 slides, starting with the name of the organ and digestive system, and then towards the end you will see examples of a quiz that they have included. So one thing that I will point out at this point is the selection of pictures that they use to attach to your lesson. And it is very, very important to make sure that you go through the content of the slides that they have generated. So as you can see here, the picture that is shown on the first slide has nothing to do with the lesson. So what I would do here, I will simply select the image and I will delete it. And then you can just go on Google, or if you have a saved drive of pictures, you can do so there. And then you can just select the digestive system. Once you click an image on Google that you prefer or you want, then you can just simply save it or copy that image, go back to your slide on Curipod, and then you can paste it directly. You can enlarge it as you wish. You can change the position of that, and then you can also edit it. But I'm just using this as an example of how you can also edit your slides. At the top, you can see that you can also change the background if you wish. You can select the title. You can change the font in terms of whether you want it to be bold or in italics, or if you want to underline it, etc. So those are some of the options that you have. Um, so what I would like to also show you is this tab here, which says lessons. So if you select this tab and you want to kind of research what other teachers or other educators have done on this topic, you can just type the digestive system, and then you will see what other teachers have created using Curipod. So if I select the first one, you can see their slides, and then if I'm satisfied or I would like one of their slides to be input in my lesson, then I will just select it, and then immediately it is added to my lesson for my year 9 students. So if I click this arrow and I decide to go back, you can then search for other um, teachers or educators that have done a topic on the digestive system, and then also add that to your own personal PowerPoint if you wish. So this is a very, very quick summary of how to just simply create a lesson using Curipod. There is a lot of other features that the platform has, and that can be explained in a later video upon your response to the one that I will post. Um, but now to present the lesson, you'll just simply select present from the beginning, and it will take you to the first slide. And then you press this icon right here at the bottom. Once you press that, then join live in your lesson. This will enable them to also answer the quiz at the end of the lesson created by Curipod. On that note, I hope you have enjoyed this short introduction into using Curipod, how to use Curipod for your lessons.